morning everyone, this is Crypto Brains and this is the much needed analysis after the FUD being created by the Elon Musk. Actually, if you look at the chart of the Bitcoin on the 4 hour time frame, um, on the first retracement, after the break of first retracement there was a lag up, then on the second retracement there was a lag up. Actually these were the position of lower time frames, and now it had done again this small retracement, and if you look at the chart, it was ready for the leg up, and I have opened the long on that position with the stop loss below this. But as the deep date of today begin in the crypto, the Elon Musk tweet, and it all went over for a big retracement. And as the Bitcoin was going through this retracement, all the coins started going like this, even the Dogecoin. So what you need to know right at the moment is it is not going to panic sell like this or dump like this. It was just a small dump, and there is a reason for that. Let me explain that reason to you first. If you look at the daily chart, it was the break of the structure. Let me draw that. If you look at this chart, it was the break of the structure that has caused this dump. Okay, that big dump. But right now, right here, there is nothing like a break of any structure. It's just a retracement or a pullback within this range itself. So you don't need to panic sell as long as BTC is above this. And I really believe that BTC is not even gonna this low at 34k this time. Okay. And if you look at the lower time frames, as we are saying, okay, this 35.6k is a strong support zone. If you look at the past also, 36k has acted as a support zone, strong, as well as strong resistance zone when it had broken down, strong support zone. And if you look at the 8 hour time frame, and if we use apply our Dow theory, so it was higher low, higher high, and now we are back at our previous lows. Okay, so as long as the structure is holding, there is nothing to worry about the crypto. It was just a planned dump by a big whale to buy the Bitcoin lower. That's simple. So first thing, you don't have to worry, as BTC is holding strong 36k level, and with the confluence there is also, if you look at the smaller time frame like 4 hour time frame, there is also support, diagonal support zone, and it is holding good. So I really believe that this should be the bottom here, and we might range from here and then continuing up. So, and the Bitcoin itself will determine the whole crypto market situation. So the thing is, I really believe that if this zone is going to hold, as I have told you, the whole crypto is going to hold from here. So you don't need to panic sell from here. Okay, keep holding the positions. Okay, now if you look at the Ethereum chart, Ethereum was literally ready to break above this 2.9k zone and get back to 3.2k zone. It was so ready that this break, then this break, now this was the break that was expected, and the chart was so bullish to break above that. But again, this was the FUD created. But still, there is the diagonal support, and if we look at the horizontal support, that is at 25k. So it may come down a bit, but this is the ultimate zone. If I draw it, this is the ultimate zone that I believe is gonna hold at 25k, and we will bounce from here. So with this, all our alts and all the crypto is going to pump. It was just a small dip in a big path. If you look at the charts, even the Ethereum chart, and if you look at the bottom, it had made, it was up by 50%, and it's a small dip of 10% or even lower, 8%. So you don't need to panic sell here. It's just a manipulation done by the big whales in the markets so that retailers panic sell, the price go lower and they can buy more. You don't need to worry about that. Just keep holding your positions. Don't panic sell. If you look at the Kusama chart, it was looking similar. I was expecting a breakout above, but with the same news, it has caused a dump. But if you look at the chart, this 370 to 380 is a strong support zone, and in the past, when the dump happens, price usually bounced from here. I really expect that if the Bitcoin is gonna hold at 36k support zone, this is gonna bounce from here, because below it is a support zone, which is, I guess, which is at almost 300. So I really don't think that this is gonna this much lower from here, because I really believe that on a higher time frame it is gonna be a higher low, because if you look at the chart, there was a low, then high, then higher low, then higher high, and this would made another higher low and then another higher high to the upside. I really believe this would be the most probable price action. So in short, if you look at all charts and all the things, the final point and the final words is that as long as BTC is gonna hold this 36k zone, this is gonna be safe for the whole crypto, and even 35k at this point, yeah, 35.3, 35k. So if BTC is gonna hold 36k to 35k, this is all safe for crypto. And I really think that this is not a distribution that is gonna break down to below this zone. I really believe this is the accumulation phase, where after this BTC is gonna break up to the 42k. So don't panic sell here, just wait, watch the BTC price action, watch your alts, and as soon as I get a signal of this as a local bottom of 36k to 35k, we will open our longs more, even more long entries, because it has been, I guess, third time we were trying to break the 42k and we failed. So the next time it will be almost sure that we are gonna break the 42k, and then going about 42k to 48k support is trading zone. So thank you very much. Let me know about your doubts and the queries in the comment section. Thank you all.